Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire and use the V-Jump Aura. This unique cosmetic item allows your character to display a distinctive visual effect while in the game's lobby. It's a sought-after accessory that adds a touch of flair to your presence, making your character stand out among others. Understanding its acquisition and application is key to showcasing this special item. To get your V-Jump Aura, you typically need to purchase a specific issue of the V-Jump magazine. This often involves buying digital currency, like 617C, which converts to about $5, to redeem the magazine online. Be aware that while Steam codes are often region-free, PlayStation and Xbox codes might require a Japanese account for successful redemption. Once you have your code, activation is straightforward. For PC players using Steam, simply navigate to activate a product in your library and input the 15-digit code. Console users will redeem their code through their respective platform stores. After successful activation, the game will recognize the new downloadable content, and your V-Jump Aura will be ready for use upon booting up the game. It's important to remember that the V-Jump Aura is a cosmetic item designed solely for the game's lobby areas. It will not be visible during online matches, parallel quests, or any combat scenarios. To equip it, simply go to your game's options, find the lobby item settings, and select the V-Jump Aura. This allows you to proudly display your exclusive new look to other players in Canton City.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.